what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your muffler. Look at this. So I'm gonna use this soundproofing tape. Usually you use that for the doors, for the interior, to make your sound more quality. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just tape it on the muffler over here, and I'm gonna drive it for a few days probably, and I'm gonna show you what's going on, if it's work or not. Now I'm gonna clean the muffler. So it's thick better. I start the car because I want the muffler to be warm, so it stick better. Alright, let me prepare the muffler. Okay, so guys, I almost finished. That's what I got so far. I warmed the muffler, as I said before, so it's a warm, so it stick better. Okay, as you can see, it stick. I clean it. I wipe it with the rag. I clean it with sandpaper, and now I'm gonna put it so. Okay, so all right. Okay, I'm gonna start the car. Let's see what's gonna happen. I didn't start it yet. It's gonna be a surprise for me too. Look at this. Now I still have issues on the front, but it's working, guys. It's working. It saved me $200, guys. Look at this. Nice job. Alright, thank you guys for joining. I'm sorry for watching. Join to my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.